Hi, I'm with Badger Basket. I'm here to walk you through the assembly of the flat bench top toy and storage box. Before we get started, please be sure to look through all of your parts. If you have any missing or damaged pieces, please contact Badger Basket as shown at the end of the instructional video. Let's get started. So for step one, we're going to need part D, which is the front piece, part A, which is the back, two of our part B, which is our side pieces, and our part E, which is the bottom. And for our hardware, we're going to need 8 H screws and 8 plastic inserts along with a Phillips screwdriver, which is not included. We're going to start our step one by taking our A piece, which is the back, and our B piece, which is the side, making sure that the grooves on the bottom are aligned. We're going to take our plastic inserts, and there's a hole on the side, and we are just going to insert it into this hole right here, making sure that the holes are aligned so the screw goes in on the back side. And now we're going to insert our screw from the back side and then repeat it on the bottom. I'm going to start tightening these screws, keeping in mind not to tighten them all the way because at the end we will come in and tighten them all. And if your screws are not going in, you can come on the other side and adjust these inserts. Now we're going to take our part D and attach it to our part B, which is our side panel. And we're going to insert plastic inserts into these holes and then screw them in on the sides. Now we're going to take our part E, which is our bottom panel, and slide it into the bottom, remembering that the label should go on the bottom side. Now we're going to take our part B and attach it to the rest of our toy box. We're going to take our 4 inserts and put them into the holes on the front and back panels. And then we're going to attach them with the screws on the back side of our part B. And keeping in mind to keep this groove towards the bottom. Now we're going to take our part C, which is our top, and we're going to attach our G hinges, starting with the top. So this one has 3 holes and this has 3 holes. We're going to take our part J, which is the small screw, and just tighten this down. Now we're just going to tighten our screws until they're snug, now all the way tight, and then at the end we will come back and tighten them all. Now to attach our top, which is our part C, we're going to tip our toy box on its side. I do have something under it propping it up. So we're going to attach our G hinge with a K screw in this middle hole right here. Remembering not to tighten it down all the way. And then we're going to come back and attach the other 2 J screws in these holes right here. We're going to repeat these steps on the other side. Now we're to attach our safety hinge. We're going to take this skinnier part and attach it to our part C, which is the lid. Now we're going to take the thicker side and attach it to our part A. I do have something propping up our lid, which is our part C, so that you can line up the holes better. Now that I have the hinges attached, I'm going to go through and tighten all the screws on the hinges and on the toy box itself. And that concludes the assembly of the flat bench top toy and storage box. Remember, if you have any questions or concerns, please contact Badger Basket as shown at the end of the video. Badger Basket thanks you for watching and enjoy.